Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to display your past experience on your LinkedIn profile using the latest update, all from your PC. If you want recruiters and connections to see your full professional journey, including previous roles, you'll want to follow these simple steps. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture with the word Me underneath it. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where all your details are displayed. Take a moment to review your profile, and then look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL on the right side of the page. Next to this section, you'll notice a small pencil or edit icon. Click on this icon to open the editing panel for your public profile settings. This is where you can control what information is visible to others, including your past experience. Within the editing options, scroll down until you find the toggle for past experience. This new feature allows you to choose whether your previous job roles are visible on your public profile. By default, this might be turned off, so make sure to enable it. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. Once you've enabled past experience, your previous job roles and positions will now be visible to anyone viewing your public profile. This is a great way to showcase your full career path and make your profile stand out to potential employers and professional connections. Don't forget to review your changes and ensure everything looks the way you want. When you're satisfied, you can close the editing panel and refresh your profile to see the update in action. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've made your LinkedIn profile more comprehensive and appealing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials on optimizing your professional presence online. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.